Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Google Authenticator app. So first of all, what you need to do after you downloaded the app, just go ahead and log in with your Google account, right? Now, as of what you're gonna do or how you're gonna apply those, basically you're gonna just click the plus button right here, and you can set up a key provided by the app, right? When you want to add Google Authenticator, or you can scan a QR code, which will be another option given by the specific app that allows you to scan the QR code, and then you gotta verify that this is your account, and then you're gonna be seeing codes right here generated whenever you log in with your account, and you're gonna be able to copy those codes and apply them to your app whenever you wanted to actually verify your login. Will help you add another layer of protection to basically your account if you're using Twitter, Instagram, or any other app that matter, Bitcoin, Bybit, Bitgate. They will ask you for they will ask you to add another layer of protection. If you click the three bars right here, you're gonna be able to see how it works. If you want to actually learn how to do it, right here, get a verification code for all your account using two-step verification, and then basically you're gonna move on to the next step. Simple setup using your camera, scan the QR code as we told you, and then unique code used to sign in. And then finally, if you want to actually sync those codes in iCloud, just do it already. In my case, I don't want to. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.